She is on a mission to edify young minds. She is continuously mentoring the younger generation for their better present and future. She is a dynamic personality, a trainer by profession, and an adventurer by passion. And today, we are gonna get up close and personal with her.
Basically, edify means to mentor, to counsel, and to guide. Since I belong or come from an education background family, I felt that nowadays students or people really need guidance, mentoring, and counseling, not only regarding education, but to encourage them to continue to educate even if they have passed their age of study. Nowadays, time is money. Even age is money. Students want to settle down at the age of 20, by the age of 22, or latest by 25. So to avoid any errors or mistakes and continue his or her journey in a smooth way, guidance, counseling is necessary, not only on education front but in general also. Now coming back to specifically international studies, I would say that guidance is necessary in choosing the country, in choosing the course. If a student is well versed with the language and if he or she feels he can crack IELTS, I say go ahead. You do not need any extra training. But what I feel is, if it is done under anyone's guidance, a student can clear exams in first attempt itself. The level and the grasping power of Surtis is differ a lot. They come from CBSE background, they come from ICSE background, few students come from Gujarati medium. So that background differs and hence the grasping power of the language also differs. So what we do at Amber IELTS is we study individuals' grasping power and accordingly train them. Start early, decide early. Do not wait for your exams to get over and then decide. The main reason behind is it's saving time. What happens is, if a student thinks of appearing for IELTS after his or her board exams, she would definitely take 2 to 3 months for the preparation time. And then again 2 to 3 months for the visa. So he or she has to spend a total of 4 to 6 months period. So if the student clears the IELTS exam before his or her 12th standard, after the results, we can immediately apply for visa. So the main suggestion or my advice would be start early. Immediately after 10th standard or maximum 11th standard. That will really help even in securing scholarships. One that I would like to point is Gujarati medium students normally hesitate. They feel that okay, we are not capable enough to appear for IELTS. At Amber IELTS, of course, we do provide basic courses also. So language is such a thing that you can develop, you can learn. And second, हम कर लेंगे सब कुछ खुद से.
Okay.
Yeah, if you are very sure and if you have resources, good enough. But I would suggest that always go for the second opinion, always go for an expert advice. Because a lot of finance is involved in it. So before taking financial risk, be at least sure. Do not just follow the flock of sheep. Every individual, every student has a different perspective, different focus and motive for international studies. So keeping that in mind, take decisions from expert advice. Yes, parents are still hesitating to send their children abroad. Of course, they are right. They have to think of their safety first. But I would say this is the most appropriate time for students to enroll, prepare for IELTS, because it takes at least 4 to 5 months to acquire or secure a visa for international studies. So even colleges have reduced their fee structure, so why not opt for it? I would suggest to all the viewers that parents, do not be hesitant and think, if you are thinking for international studies, this is the right time. There are students who really want to go in 2022 and 2023, hoping the situation normalizes. But yes, even I am hoping that students do opt for international studies without any hesitation. At least they can prepare for IELTS, because it requires a lot of preparation, not only on IELTS point of view, but there are other factors also that we need to take into consideration. One of my online students, her name is Zainab, and of course she is a lawyer and she is aspiring to settle in Canada, and she is from Baramati. She gave her IELTS examination with a very good score, but she scored 6.5 in writing. And fortunately, her dad contacted me just to guide her so that her band score increases. What I did was online training for about a week, and her band score really increased by 0.5, and now she's all set to fly to Canada. The point to the viewers is, when you find that you're not able to score, definitely you should take expert advice rather than reappearing on your own, even though you are very good with English. I do provide all the supportive services under one roof. For example, drafting of statement of purpose, providing them accommodation. I do have tie-ups with different institutes and organizations wherein I can provide accommodation to students, pre and post landing services, ticket booking, education loan, and filing of the papers, getting the papers stamped by the notary. It really requires a lot of effort, and there are many services that the student requires.
That's true.
So all the services are assisted and guided under Amber IELTS Academy.